Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Facebook Lite messages not showing problem on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find and tap Facebook Lite. Go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache. If the issue still isn't fixed, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage, then Confirm. Now go back to the App Info page and tap Force Stop. Tap OK to confirm. Next, open the Google Play Store and search for Facebook Lite. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. After that, restart your phone. Once your phone turns back on, open Facebook Lite and check if your messages are showing properly. If the problem still persists, make sure you have a stable internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You should also check for any available Android software updates by going to Settings, then Software Update or System Update, and installing any available updates. That's how you can fix the Facebook Lite messages not showing problem. Thanks for watching.